Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's videos I will show you barefoot button crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Friends, buttons are small, colorful, and fun to use. All buttons can be turned into amazing decoration and handmade gifts. First, make button flower through colorful buttons onto paper or canvas to create a beautiful flower design. These flowers never need water and always look bright. Another lovely idea is button wallet. Arranging button into shape like heart, tree, butterflies, or animals frame here artwork and display it in your room. And dear friends, viewers, and dear friends, you can also decorate photo frame with buttons. Simply glue buttons around the frame to create a colorful and unique design. Button bookmark are easy and useful. Attach a button to a ribbon or paper clip and create a cute bookmark for your favorites book. And viewers, friends, viewers, for children, button crafts are fun activity. Make colorful birds, fish, flowers. Kids enjoy creating different shapes with buttons. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz.